Hey guys, welcome back. I'm back with my Hoover floor mate, Deluxe. And if you guys remember in the last video, I said I was going to do a big mess test with it. Well, here it is. So, update, I decided to take out some things like the extra mustards that I have and the garlic aioli. I took those out and I added on a couple of new things. So I still have the strawberry syrup, the ketchup and mustard, the Nutella, the peanut butter, the egg, and all that, and the ranch. But I decided to add it on things like queso and tomato sauce. So, without further ado, let's get the floor mate up and running. So, alright, I have it in the wash mode. Yep. Alright, let's release it. Let's put your phone in here. And I'm going to turn it on. Hang on a second. Oh, there we go. Yep, here it is. Let's turn it. I'm going to turn it on.
So I'm not squeezing the trigger yet. I just want to show you, without any solution or playing the trigger, how much of this stuff comes up. Alright, after washing, now I'm going to set it to the dry mode. The dry mode will raise up the spin scrub brushes, so the brushes are raised up and they shut off, which allows the suction and the squeezing to dry the floor. That tomato piece right there is getting a little stubborn, doesn't want to get picked up. Yeah, finally got it. Oh, look, where are the olives? Another one. Just want to go over it one more time in the wash mode just to be safe. You know that I was saying. I had to be safe, I'm sorry. Alrighty. Look at that. This floor is completely spotless and clean. And that is all of the stuff we picked up. That's all
the dirt and grime and stuff like that. So if you've never bought or tried the Hoover floor mates, any of them, I highly recommend you buy one. This is a very fantastic machine to own and to use. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.